Welcome back. Last episode we tied up all the little bits and pieces. On this episode we find a big problem and the bike won't start. So we troubleshoot and try and figure out what the issue is. But not to give it all away, we do end up getting it started and running. So welcome back to MOTO-VATION. I'll grab the other one. What'd you do? Okay, pretty well.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, that sucks because this pours out really slow now. 0.5 more. 1.55 for 1.6 quarts. What you need to add in this. Okay. You ready, Cody?
Yep.
You gotta stand over here though, bro. I gotta see your reaction. If it's disappointment, I want to see the disappointment versus the excitement.
I don't get disappointed anymore, man.
You're like, oh well.
I know how it goes.
Okay, let's see. Hopefully we have power. I'm not starting this, right? I'm just turning it over. Power's pretty good. That's Cody.
Okay.
That's his bike. Let's make it run.
Let's do it.
Maybe. Hopefully. We'll see. What are we missing? Bad fuel pump. But we have one. So. Oh man, gotta take the fairing off. We just replaced this fuel pump. Let's make sure we're charging. All right, come on baby. Let's prime it.
Yeah.
All right, here goes nothing. So how do you feel, Cody?
Relieved
Just relieved?
and happy. Be riding again. First time in like 2 years.
Yeah. That was the culprit.
Yeah. It's gotta be something.
Thanks right now.
My girl might not be so happy, but
Running and soon to be riding. Just waiting on a chain and she'll be riding. And then a bracket for the exhaust, but that's simple stuff. So I forgot the audio. Hopefully I could have told you what I said at the time, but we'll put this in there. Basically, what I forgot to tell you guys, or what I'm telling you guys right here, is that we got the bike running, riding. We went ahead, got the coolant in, got the old oil out, got the new oil in, got the exhaust mounted up. We need to situate all the wiring, as we had to pull the gas tank and it was kind of a mess. So we spilled some gas, got that all cleaned up, got a new pump put in, got that all taken care of. But other than that, it's looking good, it's looking mint. So now we're gonna move on to putting the headlight and cluster in. So let's go ahead and put this cluster in. Find my Phillips head screwdriver somewhere, maybe. And I left a lot of this stuff labeled. Cody's not like the most handiest person, and it's not like an insult, he's just not like really good with stuff like this. So that way he can, if he ever has to take the bike apart, he knows kind of like what this stuff is and what it goes to. I took off any that you can kind of see from when the bike's not apart. Yeah, I watch a whole bunch of different YouTubers. I watch TJ Hunt, Cletus McFarland, Adam LZ, Colette Davis. Oh man, if you go to my actual personal YouTube account, which is linked in the corner, you can see my subscriptions. You can check and see if there's any on there that you guys may want to follow. Put these 3 bolts in. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below who I should be watching if I'm not already. I forgot I have 2 clusters that need to be used. So I went ahead and, but I didn't know the mileage on them anymore. I forgot to write them down. So I went ahead and checked the mileage on them before I put all this back together. And if you're seeing this video, they're likely gone. Feel free to ask in the comments. I may still have them, but as you guys know from the beginning of the video, I am moving, so I'm gonna try and get rid of all that stuff. I have so much extra wiring here. Let's make sure Cody's headlight works. He's got some sort of LED situation going on here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Works good. Wow, first try. I don't know how I did that. Now let's see if I can get this wiring. And you don't want to go crazy on these. Just go ahead and get them snug. He's got these fancy ones where they're super long. And we got left blinker, we got right blinker, and we got running lights. We can plug our horn in, make sure that works. We gotta do the wiring on the tail section. Now we have all this extra wiring. All right, wiring back there is good. Let's get this all taken care of. G-Craft style handles. They might actually be G-Craft. Not sure we're over racing. Pretty good if they're China stuff. Now, let's figure out where we need to put this hole. So I need to get some tape that I can draw on. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I put tape on the back side here so I can mark it. And I put tape on the front side just so if I cause any damage or issues when I'm coming through, it'll keep it all contained. Then I'm gonna take my marker and I'm gonna draw as much around the edge of it as possible. If at all, if it's even possible. It's gonna be very hard. So I used my fingernail and I marked part of it. Now I already have it traced out. Just line this up with this. All right, so as you can see here, we got it all on here and traced out. I actually lowered it a slight bit because this is technically gonna go into this fairing, and Cody's gonna likely have to have it trimmed down once he gets the little snorkel piece that pops out the front. But for now, I'm gonna get it as close to where it is currently, and then as he wants to change it, he can. It'll be way easier for him.